I'm trying to say. And I knew I was going to sweat a lot in this jacket, but I just think it looks good. I took it off and I looked in the mirror just with the shirt and I was like, nah. I'm going to wear it, I'm going to sweat a lot. And it's okay. Nobody's judging me. Everybody's on my team. That's right. One song? Two song?
Start with one and we'll see, yeah?
Well, no, because I have like a final song, you know, so...
Then two.
Okay, wait. Setlist says no. I'll have to make something up. Let's, huh?
Yeah, ding dong.
Go what?
He started it.
I'm done. Oh, I'm so glad nobody got the joke. Let's see. What am I gonna sing? Okay, here's a song that I haven't really played much because I'm still writing it. But it's called Það líður hjá, which means that passes by. Morgunverkurinn setur dagstóninn, ekki óvinir, ég og líkaminn. Ég vil gefast upp aftur undir sæng, biðja almættið einhvern verndarvæng. Ef ég kemst af stað, læt ekkert á mér sjá, þykist vita að þetta líður hjá, og það 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 líður hjá. Og það líður hjá, og það líður hjá. Næturgesturinn sýnir sína frá, nudda skinn við skinn, og það líður hjá. Það svo fagurt sem ég fæ að sjá, gekk að eignast þig, og svo leið það hjá, og það líður 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 hjá.